Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel.
What?
What?
What'd you say?
I'm filming. I'm talking.
Say it.
I said, hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh, sorry. Hey,
What?
I want to restart that.
Probably a good idea. Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. The other day, I went to an Amish store with my mom and my aunt, and they usually have a lot of good stuff, expired stuff, so you always read the labels. But they always have boxes of big makeup when I go, so I got a couple things. It's all drugstore products. They were all on sale for $1. You can a lot of the times buy an entire box too for like $10, but it's got a lot of repeats in it. And most of the things in there were repeats, and like a lot of them were even the same colors and stuff. Like lipsticks, there's maybe 4 colors of lipsticks, but there was a bunch of them. So I mean, the boxes are only usually $10 anyways though, so it's usually worth it to buy it, because then you get, you know, an array of products, and then you got some for your friends, for your family, for, you know, everybody. The thing about the makeup is, I don't know if it's expired. I don't know why it's there, because like food-wise, most of it's expired. A lot of times it's not, sometimes it's not, but a lot of times it is. They got other cool stuff. They got phone cases. I got this phone case. It's a $40 phone case. I got at the Amish for 10 bucks. They got like cleaning supplies and like notebooks and pens and toys and stuff like that too. So, I mean, you can get a lot of good stuff there. But anyways, I picked up some makeup, like I said, and I probably would have bought more, but I actually didn't have cash with me, and they only take checks or cash, and I didn't have a checkbook, and I didn't have cash, so my mom actually bought it for me. So I only bought a few items. So we've got eyeliner, pen, a lash thingy, some eyeliners, lip pencils, and a lipstick. So it's not a whole lot of stuff, but you know, it's just fun to test it out. The only thing is, like, if they are expired, I'm not going to know. Like, if I don't like an item, I'm not going to know if I just don't like it because I don't like it, or if I don't like it because it's expired. I don't know. Maybe they got the products because the store was cleaning out their stuff, because they oftentimes, if they have a lot of stuff still, they'll get rid of all the old stuff to make room for new stuff. And that's often when they put stuff on clearance at like Walmart and Target, those kind of places. And then they have deals with people who will come in and basically buy all their clearance stuff for a lot cheaper just to get it out. So that may be something that they do. I don't know. Okay, so this first one is a color tattoo, a Maybelline color tattoo, the 24-hour thingy. What shade is this? The shade is Too Cool, because it's too cool. This looks very pretty. It's very smooth and silky, and feels fine. I think it's really pretty. I like that a lot. Now, I don't know if I want to put that on my eyes, because I do have, the other eye product I have is the REVLON PHOTOREADY Eye Art. Is that what it's called? Yeah. This is the shade Topaz Twinkle. So it's double-ended. It's got the shadow on the one end and then the glitter on the other. So actually Huda Beauty now has something like this, and I'm pretty sure Revlon was the first people to come out with it that I've seen. Let's dab this on and see if it would work as a highlight. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's really pretty. It's an eyeshadow, but that's a gorgeous highlight too. Works perfectly fine to me. I will definitely have to try it out as an eyeshadow another time, but that's enough for today. I'm going to go in with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot quick and prime my eyes just as I normally would. I think I might go in it with a crease shade first too, since these are just creams. I'll go in with a quick crease shade and then put the cream and the glitter down. I'm going to use my Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette, and I'm going to use the shade Attic. This is Attic right here. Side note, my foundation is super dark and orange today. I grabbed a foundation that I haven't worn in like a very long time, needs to be thrown away. Kept it anyways. There's only a tiny bit out. I was like hitting the bottle to get it out. First of all, not even close to my shade. I've never been that orange or that dark, so when the heck was I wearing that foundation? And if you were friends with me, why the heck were you letting me wear that foundation? Because that clearly is not my shade. But it is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I believe, and it looks really good. I really love the finish of it. It does settle in my creases really bad, so I would either have to try to set those better, or it's just not the foundation for me. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the Photo Ready eye art. I'm going to use this side first, the non-glitter side. It's still shimmery though, and I'll just slap it on the lid here. I'll probably blend it out just with my finger. I love that color, like a lot. Still really wet, so I don't know if it dries down completely or how fast it dries down. It doesn't have a smell to it either, so if it's expired, it can't smell it. And let's be honest, if it is expired, do you really care that much? Because look inside your makeup drawers and tell me how much of your makeup is expired. I'll wait. I'm fairly certain I still have makeup from 5 years ago. There's just a quick swatchy of, there's the Maybelline, which is the white one, and then the two of these Revlon shades next to each other. So pretty. So I'm gonna go over the crease again real quick with that same shade that I did before from the Natasha Denona palette. Okay, so it's dried down now, and it still feels really comfortable. A lot of those can tend to feel like sticky or goopy, and feels really good. So I'm going to now use the glitter end, and I'm just going to go along the crease. Let's see how that works, because I am not good at doing that. Wow. So far, I'm impressed. Okay, let's talk. I've only had it on my eyes for just a little bit, okay? But I can already tell you, I really like it. Okay, hi. Welcome to being really close to my face. I do want to show you, the glitter has transferred from my crease to my eyelid. Now, I don't know if that's because of, like, I got hooded eyes, okay? So, it's not like it's a lot, but it's transferred. I can fix that really easy with just going back in with the original shade. Okay, so I quickly swatched my Stila Glitter and Glows. So the first two closest to the white shade are the Revlon shades. And then we have the shade Smoky Storm and Smoldering Satin, which are the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. The Stila ones do have more color underneath it, whereas this one is just, I think, a little more glittery. I mean, there's still color, but you can tell these have more color behind it. So, but that's pretty close. Why have I never heard this before? Why has anybody mentioned that before? Hello? This has dried down to my hand pretty darn well too, and like I rub and it doesn't move. So this is pretty awesome. I think it looks beautiful on the eyes. It was super easy to do. You wouldn't ever even necessarily need a crease shade, but I mean, I prefer it. I think it just makes it look all more together. So 10 out of 10 would recommend this. Where has it been all my life? Like I said, Huda Beauty does have an item like this out now, so I definitely want to get one of those now and compare it to this, because literally it is the same exact idea. There's like a matte whatever shade on this side, and then you've got your glitter side. Same thing. And I know I saw this a long time ago in stores. The next thing is this e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner pan in the shade Blanc. This is really tiny to hold. I'm so used to using my Smashbox eyeliner, and that's a big difference, even like girthiness. Okay, so first thoughts about the eyeliner is I love how little the felt tip like applicator is. I think it's just so small that it's so easy to be precise with it, which is, I just love that. The only thing I noticed, but I don't know if it's the eyeliner's fault or if it's the fault of the eyeshadow stick. Where did that go? Because I did notice on my eyes, it's made them quite wrinkly, and like it's got a film, it's got like a texture to it. So when I put the eyeliner on, it almost drags across the eyelid, but you can feel it. Like, I know that it's not my skin, it's the eyeshadow itself. So I think maybe the eyeliner would perform better. Yeah, see, now that I'm swatching it, and maybe that's because I was shaking it up a little bit too, it's easier to apply just straight up on the skin. So I think maybe applying it onto the eyeshadow itself makes a bit of a difference. Other than that, it's very black, which is great. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. It's not quite matte, but I don't really care. So I don't know how much this retails for, but it is a pretty decent eyeliner. I'll definitely use it again, so cool beans. I do have another eyeliner. So this one is by Wet n Wild Megalast eyeliner in the shade Black. Oh, wow. That is dry, 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 dry. Let's just watch me color on my arm for 5 minutes. It's just, I don't know. We'll put it on and see what happens. I normally don't tightline with eyeliner. I just do on the lid and that's it. But I do know what a good eyeliner feels like, and this ain't it. This just is too rough. It is too dry. I don't know if that's due to it being old, maybe, or if this is just how the eyeliner itself performs, but I do not like it. I don't care if it's $1 or 50 cents. I would never purchase this again. I'm never going to use it again. It's probably just going to be thrown away because no thank you. The last couple products I have are all lip products. I've got 2 lip pencils. These are both by CoverGirl, and I've got an e.l.f. lipstick. So let's open up the lip liners first and see what these look like. Okay, so these are the CoverGirl Lip Perfection lip liners. This is the shade 212 Passion. This is the shade Beloved. They feel really nice. It's very creamy. So the top one is Beloved, the bottom one is Passion. I think they, just swatching wise, swatched very nicely, very, very creamy. So that's cool. And then the lipstick I got is by e.l.f. This is Mulberry Mavin? No. That's not mauve, because it would have a U. This is Maven. The very bottom shade there. I'm going to use the Beloved lip liner and this lipstick, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that's just the lip liner, and then I just kind of rubbed it in with my finger a bit. I applied more in the outer corners. So far, it's not bad. It's not my favorite. It applied very well. It's smooth. It's something, if it was cheap enough, I would buy again. If it's a $10 lip liner, I'm not going to touch it. If it's in the, like, $5 range, then yeah, I might buy one again. Love this color a whole lot. I really like it. Actually, I really like it with this eye look too. If I'm correct, these are fairly cheap and it feels nice on the lips. It looks really great. It wasn't patchy, went on super easy. I love the shade. I really, really love that. So happy about that. And that's all of our products. I know it wasn't a lot of products, and there was one that we didn't try out fully, but so far, I don't know. If they're expired, they still work really well. I'm still going to use them. I like them. The only one that I didn't like was the Wet n Wild eyeliner, so I'd say that's a pretty good haul. And how much did I spend? 7 products, so $7. I think just the Revlon thing on its own is $7 or around there anyways. So definitely worth my money. Next time I go to the Amish, I will definitely check out and see if they have other goodies, and we'll do another little haul for you. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, video ideas, anything, just leave them in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.